How to comment GIFs on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So this is a new feature that Instagram released and many people do not know how to use it. So the first step is going to your Instagram app. Go to your profile to a post where you want to comment. I will go to this one, for example. From here you have to go on this icon right here on comments, and then to add a comment with a GIF you have to go to emojis, which are here, then go to GIF and add your GIF that you want to post on your Instagram comment. If you're not able to post a GIF on Instagram comments, then you have to go to your Instagram profile, click on those three lines from the right top corner, go to settings, and then go to help. From here, you have to go to report a problem, then click on report problem without shaking. And after that, click on include and continue. And here you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. You can say, hello, Instagram team, I cannot post a GIF on Instagram comments. Please solve this problem for me. And they will respond to you in 72 hours. So if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post a new video. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, what you do think about this future, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.